BMW has just introduced the new R12 GS model for 2026, adding a new adventure model to its air-cooled Boxer platform. The new R12 GS essentially replaces the R90 Urban GS from the previous generation platform, with similar styling inspired by what is considered the first adventure bike, the BMW R80 GS. Unlike the 90 model, the R12 GS drops the urban aspect and emphasizes more on the GS, or Gelände or Straße, German for off-road or street, of its name. The bike uses the same 1,170 cubic centimeters twin Boxer engine as the rest of the R12 family, which currently consists of the R12 Cruiser, R12 90 Roadster, and R12S. The R12 GS produces 109 horsepower at 7,000 RPM and 115 Nm of torque at 6,500 RPM. The engine is coupled with a 6-speed transmission and shaft drive system, ensuring smooth and responsive power delivery. To enhance off-road capabilities, the R12 GS is equipped with an adjustable upside-down front suspension and a rear monoshock. The bike uses a 21-inch front wheel and a 17-inch rear wheel with spokes, providing optimum stability and traction in various road conditions. Advanced electronic features also equip the R12 GS, including 3 riding modes: rain, road, and enduro. Dynamic traction control and engine drag torque control are included as standard, enhancing safety and control when riding on challenging terrain. The design of the R12 GS stands out with its round LED headlamps, tall front fenders, and large engine guard, creating a tough and classic look. The sleek fuel tank and bench-style seat provide riders with comfort and flexibility when exploring various terrains. The R12 GS is available in 3 attractive color options, including Night Black Matte, provides a minimalist and elegant look for riders who like a mysterious feel. Light White with red accents highlights a sporty and dynamic impression, perfect for those who want to stand out on the road. And Option 719 Aragonite, an exclusive combination of Sandrover Matte, Racing Red, and Mineral Gray Metallic, creating a luxurious and unique look. With a combination of iconic design and modern technology, the BMW R12 GS is ready to become the ultimate choice for adventure lovers who want reliable performance and classic style in one package.